Welcome back to the channel and to the second part on this 2014 Audi A1 Sport. When we left off last time, we stripped it all down. We've had a look at the damage that was there and said we were ordering some parts. So just as a reminder, we obviously got loads of the broken parts here. But talking about parts, this video's not sponsored by them, but I would like to say a big thank you to Forest Auto Salvage in Cinderford. Always helpful, always got the parts we need and always at a good price. If it's some parts you're after, I'll leave a link in the description below, but thanks very much to them guys again. So the bonnet is in the right colour and the wing in the right colour. We've managed to get a new aftermarket honeycomb grille, second-hand headlight, genuine Audi washer bottle, new crash bar, and the damage on our front bumper was just the corner, so we've bought the new corner and had it put into colour. So that's that. So we've got a lot of parts there that we need to get back on, and obviously the headlight support as well. So I've only just put that in just to make sure that the actual bracket here wasn't in the wrong position, but you can see the pinholes line up there and the bolt holes, and there's one bolt in it holding it there, so that's all fine. And we did say that there was a little bend on the top. Get to the side, there you go. There was a little bend on the top and the bottom, but no problem with those now. They are straight and all ready to accept the new bar going across the front there. So we're going to carry on. I'll give you a little bit of time lapse. It won't be a great deal, but as it goes together now, and then hopefully we'll get it all back together and show you some bits. And that's everything done. So the front end's all done. As we said, new wing, replacement headlight, replacement bonnet, new bumper. We've got the new grille. And there's that. So timing chain has also been changed now. We're just gonna give it a run, then we'll give it a full service. But the next time you see the car now will be in the finished video and finished walk around. So we'll catch up with you in a sec. Welcome to the finished video. If you've not seen the first one, then I'll leave a link in the top corner for you, but make sure you go back and take a look at that. But here it is, the 2014 Audi A1 5-door 1.2 petrol with 5-speed manual gearbox. It's just had a full service carried out, which also included the full timing chain kit. It's just passed an MOT with no advisories, and as stated on the insurance, it is down as a category N due to the light front damage, but is now fully repaired. Moving on to the inside, all the seats were removed and everything was fully valeted. The car does have such features as remote central lock-in, electric heated mirrors, electric windows front and rear, air conditioning, stop-start system, 16-inch alloy wheels, and the usual Audi infotainment system with Bluetooth connectivity. hope you enjoy my builds. If so, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. It does help promote my channel. Subscribe if you've not done so already. That way you won't miss out on any new videos. And if you want any more information, or you have an accident damaged car or non-runner you might think I'd be interested in, then leave a comment below or contact me on c96rebuilds@gmail.com. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.